Let me tell you about a patient I'll call George. He was a vibrant man in his late 70s. George loved spending time in his garden. He loved playing with his grandchildren. But over the last year, things started to change. He became increasingly tired. He felt dizzy in the mornings. His family noticed he was confused at times, forgetting simple things. They worried it was just a natural part of aging. But as a doctor, I knew we had to look deeper. We sat down and went through his daily routine. George pulled out a large plastic bag filled with orange prescription bottles. There was one for his blood pressure, another for his cholesterol, a pill for his arthritis pain, something to help him sleep, a medication for his acid reflux, and a few more that had been added over the years by different specialists. He was taking more than 10 different pills every single day. Each one was prescribed for a good reason by a doctor who wanted to help him, but no one had looked at the complete picture. No one had stopped to ask, is this all too much? This is a story I see far too often. A well-meaning journey to manage health conditions slowly turns into a heavy burden of medications. The situation George found himself in has a medical name: polypharmacy. It might sound complicated, but the idea is simple. Poly means many, pharmacy relates to drugs, pharmacy relates to medicines. Polypharmacy is the regular use of multiple medications, generally defined as taking 5 or more prescription drugs at the same time. This is becoming increasingly common, especially among older adults. It usually starts with a single health problem. You see a doctor and get a prescription. A few years later, a new issue arises. A different specialist adds another medication. Maybe you have trouble sleeping. Your primary care physician prescribes something for that. Over time, these prescriptions accumulate. Each is added with the best of intentions. Without a single conductor leading the orchestra, the instruments can start to clash, creating chaotic, harmful noise instead of a healing melody. Think of a medicine as giving your body instructions. The pill travels through your system and delivers a chemical message. That message tells your body to do something specific, like lower your blood pressure or reduce inflammation. Take many pills and you send many messages at once. Sometimes those messages get crossed. They can interfere with each other. One drug might make another stronger or cancel out its effects entirely. Every pill you swallow is a foreign substance. Your body must process it. It breaks medicines down into smaller components. Some are active ingredients that help you. Others are byproducts or toxins your body needs to filter out. 1 or 2 medicines? Manageable. 5, 10, or even more, the system responsible for cleaning up these toxins can become dangerously overloaded. The real risk of polypharmacy isn't just the sheer number of pills, it's the unpredictable and often harmful ways they can interact with one another. These interactions can create new symptoms that are then mistaken for a new disease. This can lead to what we call a prescribing cascade. A doctor prescribes a drug that causes a side effect. You report this new side effect, and instead of stopping the original drug, the doctor prescribes a second drug to treat the side effect. This cycle can continue, adding more and more unnecessary and potentially toxic medications to your daily regimen. Let's look at a simple example. Some common over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen can have an impact on your blood pressure. If you are already taking a prescription medication to lower your blood pressure, taking ibuprofen regularly could work against it. This might make your blood pressure medication less effective, leading your doctor to increase the dose or even add another blood pressure pill. You are now taking more medicine than you need, all because of an interaction that was overlooked. Another common interaction involves certain types of antidepressants and a class of pain relievers called triptans, which are often used for migraines. When taken together, these 2 medications can lead to a rare but serious condition called serotonin syndrome. This happens when there is too much of the chemical serotonin in your brain. The symptoms can range from mild agitation and confusion to a high fever and seizures. The first and most important step to protect yourself or a loved one is to become an active, informed member of your healthcare team. You are your own best advocate. Start by making a complete list of every single thing you take. All prescription medications, any over-the-counter drugs like pain relievers or allergy pills, all vitamins, herbal supplements, and dietary aids. This list is your most powerful tool. Next, schedule a dedicated appointment with your primary care doctor or a pharmacist for a medication review. The goal of this meeting is not to get more pills, but to see if you can safely eliminate some. Ask your doctor to review every single item on your list. Why am I taking this medication? Do I still need it? Embrace the power of a single pharmacy and a single primary doctor. When all your prescriptions are filled at one pharmacy, the pharmacist can act as a crucial safety net. Finally, remember that lifestyle changes are often the most powerful medicine of all. Diet, exercise, stress management. You can avoid the hidden dangers of polypharmacy, reduce the toxic load on your body, and reclaim your health and vitality. It's your health. Take control.